The View a Statement section gives you the freedom to view your digital records whenever you wish. In here, you can find digital versions of your previous bills back to 6 months, equity statements back to 2013, T4A statements back to 2013, and long-distance phone statements back to 6 months. To get started, click the View a Statement button on the lower left-hand side. You will now be on the View a Statement homepage. Click the desired button to see your statements. For example, if you wish to see a bill statement, click the top right button titled Bill Statement. Once the button is clicked, a drop-down will open with all your previous statements. Please note, how far back you can go is dependent on how long you've been a Westman customer. Click on the period you wish to see, and a separate PDF window will open. From here, you have instant access to your desired bill. You may also print from this screen. When back in the View a Statement home, click the button again to close the accordion menu. All statement buttons work in a similar fashion. The only statement section that is slightly different is the T4A section. To view a previous T4A statement, you'll be required to enter your last 4 digits of your SIN number for security purposes. Once the digits are entered and confirmation is successful, you'll be able to see your previous T4A statements on your account. That summarizes the View a Statement section of My Westman. View any Westman statement you wish, as easy as the click of a button.